Good morning everyone. Today I am going to tell about one filter. What filter means? Coffee filter. Whatever I had here means turmeric powder, pepper powder, milk and brown sugar. 1 pinch of turmeric powder, put it in the milk. 1 pinch of pepper powder, put it in the milk, and 1 spoon of brown powder and mix it and we drink it. Cough will go away. Now I am going to make and show you clearly. First I am taking little bit turmeric powder and putting in the milk and mix it. And little bit of pepper powder putting in the milk and mix it. And now taking brown sugar 1 spoon and putting little bit and I'm going to drink it. Delicious. Daily you also made it and drink it. Without cough also you can drink it. Daily you drink it, it will be tasty